Hello friends and family, hope you're fine, hope you're having a lovely day. So today is a Sunday and I decided to eat a local chicken, and of course I decided to share the recipe with you. And basically what you need are just fresh ingredients that you can get from any market that's nearby you. When I'm going to make chicken soup, I really prefer to use local chickens. And to begin with, I'm going to roast the chicken shortly. I just need to brown it. And what you need for this process is a charcoal stove, wire mesh, and green banana peelings. That's how we locally do it in my country. But you can also roast it on gas as long as the heat is very low. This roasting does not cook the chicken. You're just heating it shortly, and the purpose of this is to remove the extra feathers on the chicken and to also give the chicken a very nice aroma. It is also going to help to reduce on some of the fats because my chicken has a lot of fat, so they will be reduced. So this process is very simple. What you have to do is to just keep on changing the pieces of meat. When they brown, they are ready to get off the charcoal stove. So on my list of meats, chicken and fish are the top two for me. I don't know what you guys like, but for me it's chicken and fish. That's it. If you actually go through my videos, you see that I have so many chicken and fish recipes, and that is because I really love them. Feel free to share down below in the comment section what you like. Yep, and as you can see, the meat is browning, our chicken is browning. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the chicken that has browned, and then you just keep on adding other pieces. And also to let you know, after roasting the chicken, you have to wash it. We have to wash off the ash and the charcoal. We have to wash it off the chicken so that we eat very clean poultry. And if you can't access a charcoal stove, try gas. Just make sure the heat is low. I don't know if it tastes the same because I haven't tried it, but you can try it and we see. So I'm going to dry fry the chicken shortly until it produces oil. Yeah, just add the pieces to the pan, dry fry them shortly. When you get the oil, you start adding the ingredients. So today I'm cooking outdoors, especially because I had the smoke from roasting the chicken, and of course I can't cook inside with a charcoal stove. It actually feels good to cook outside with all the fresh air around me, with all the birds singing. It actually feels very good. So I'm actually adding the fresh vegetables one by one to the pan, and just give them time, fry each with a chicken for about 2 minutes, then you add another one just like that. These fresh vegetables are going to add a lot of flavor to our soup. Yeah, so if you put lots of fresh vegetables to your chicken, trust me, it will be very tasty and delicious. Just check the description box down below for all the ingredients and all the spices that I've used for this local chicken soup or stew. Don't omit any of these vegetables because they are all very flavorful, unless you have to, of course. So I've just added the tomatoes to the pan and I'm going to stir very well, and then add some water to our pan. That is rosemary, thyme, and fresh oregano, which I've just added to the pan. And this chicken soup is for over 6 people. We are 6 adults who are going to have this chicken with some rice, some baked bananas, and some peas. I don't know if you guys like peas, but I love them. Yeah, that is what we are having with the chicken. The dry ingredients, I used half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken curry powder, and salt. That is all that I used. So I'm just going to let everything cooked together. I want the soup to have all these flavors with it. Just let it cook on high heat for about 30 minutes and then reduce the heat and let it cook on slow heat. So as you can see, the baby eggplants have really cooked. So now I'm just adding some parsley, and I'm going to add more baby eggplants for more color and of course more flavor. If you've been looking for a healthy chicken soup recipe, this is the one, because remember we didn't add any oil and we've used lots of immune boosters. All these fruits and all these vegetables are very, very healthy for our bodies. So if you've been looking for healthy, this is the one. The soup is very tasty. I just tasted it. Very tasty. Make sure to taste your salt before everything else. Thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you for watching the video. Have a lovely day.